This is the stuff of dreams. Equalizer in added time, and then you get the winner from the penalty shootout. Tell us how you felt in those final moments of the game leading up to the equalizer.
It was just a calm feeling because it's not the first doing this against Madrid. So when we played in the first match during the season, the 2-2 game, we scored in added time. So even when the game was playing and we know that we had time, we know that there was a goal in the team. And when the boys pulled the goal, the keeper just said to us, "Coach, all I want is just score all 5 and I will save 1." That's what happened.
And it's your first full year in charge of the Garvey Massilia team. How does it feel for you to be able to bring back the glory to the school?
As I said earlier, being a past student, this is truly a real glory. You know, being at the school, coming back now as a coach, as a teacher, to lift the Dacaster Cup title. What more can you ask for? God is truly good.
And how were the boys coming into the game? How was their mindset like? You know, how did they feel about being able to take on this challenge tonight?
It was just a calm feeling. So I said to them in the dressing room from before the game started, I said, the trophy is at school right at the gate. It's just for us to pick it up. And that's what they did. We went and we picked it up. So look, there's the trophy. And it's an extreme, words can't express how I'm feeling right now. And that's for my parents and that's for the Cuban family. So God bless you all and thank you all.
The last 15 minutes of the game was very hectic, Coach.
Yes.
What did you say to the boys to keep them going, even when you were 1-0 down? And it was 15 seconds left. What did you say to them to keep them going?
Just to remain calm. We were going to score, ask them. And when they remain calm, when O'Brien got the ball over on the wide left side and cut inside and scored, it wasn't a surprise. He's been doing it in training.
All right, Coach.
Big up yourself.